Hi, my name is Anderson, and I'm a rising senior going to Lowell High School. So for my starter project, I made a voice changer. So basically, when I speak into the microphone, it will modulate my voice, so it will sound different. And in this project specifically, there are 4 different modes. There's a vibrato effect, a low pitch and a high pitch, and a robotic voice. And if you press the corresponding switch to which one it belongs to, it will change your voice to that modulation. So the way this project works is that you have to use a 9-volt battery to power the kit. So when you turn it on, it allows the current to pass through the circuits, and it will go through the resistors, which limit the amount of current that can go through. And then the resistors power a lot of things on the circuit, such as the IC, which is the integrated circuit, which is like just a smaller version of this big circuit that allows the connections throughout the whole circuit, so it connects all the other components. It also powers the capacitors, which store energy in electromagnetic fields. And then it also powers the microphone, the potentiometer, which you can use to control the microphone sensitivity, so when you talk into it, it can pick up less sound depending on how much you turned it. And the IC is really important because it connects pretty much every component, such as the microphone, the volume, this other IC that's used to power the speakers, and all the LEDs too. So let me show you a quick demo. So when you turn it on, the mic's really sensitive, so it catches a lot of sound. And a lot of the sounds sound kind of similar because the speaker might not be high end enough to differentiate all the 4 different sounds. So if you notice, it's catching all my sound right now. So I'll turn on the volume. Hello? Hello? So if I press the vibrato effect, it'll make a vibrato sound, which is kind of like an echoey kind of sound. Hello? 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 And then if I press the higher pitch sound, it'll make my voice higher or deeper. Oh, hello? Hello? And then this is the low pitch sound, and this is the robotic voice. Hello? 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 And that's my project. What I really like doing about this project is that all the soldering I did, it was a really good experience because it was my first time soldering, so this was a good introduction to it. And I had a lot of fun building it.